Okay, I took a trade on NASDAQ today. We had market open right here. We dumped down. Took out, what was this? This was London session low. Other than that, we didn't really have much else for draws on liquidity. There was other draws down here, but those were super high time frame, long ago draws. So I was just going to see how we reacted off of the London session low. We had three relative equal highs here that I was looking at, and then we had London session high, and above that we had Asia session high right there. So those were my draws. Right away, yeah, dumped, took it out, and looking at it, we didn't get an SMT or anything because S&P did the exact same thing, taking out London session low. So after we took it out, I was reassessing, and we had like a huge bullish divergence on the RSI, like massive, like all the way from like over here to here, there to there. So I was looking at that and I was like, man, eventually we got to trigger this. And then we had like lower ones on the 1 minute that was giving me decent confluence. And then as soon as we started to break, I knew there was like a little, just this little ripple here was like a trigger. I screwed it. Anyways, lost it. There we are. So I jumped in pretty quick. After that, I was almost sure that we were just taking this high out, then going back up to those draws. So yeah, a couple minutes later, I went in, broke bearish structure. I took my I had my take profit right here, and we almost took it out. This was absolutely killing me. Stop loss below that low, and almost took it out. We got right there, so close. We had I was like, there's no way we're leaving this. There's absolutely no way we're leaving this. But and usually I don't get so greedy, and I have my take profit right below the lows. But today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be a man. I'm gonna put it above. We're gonna just clean right through it. And then I was like pretty much celebrating, and then we got a reversal, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. And then we're going back up here, and I was like, all right, I'll hold it. We're going to go back up. And then we started just printing some gross red candles, and we got like a bearish close on the 1 minute here. And then I exited like right down here. And then sure enough, it just went sideways for a bit. And then boom, smashed through my take profit. But I had to cut it short for a 44-point move when I had it up to like a 79-point move or something. Brutal stuff, but still got a win for the day. Would have been a home run, but whatever. I'll take it. Other than that, yeah, this here was this purple square. That was over here. It was a 1 minute fair value gap, or sorry, a 1 hour fair value gap as well. And I think this square down here might have been like a 5 minute, 5 minute fair value gap, inversed it. It was just looking gorgeous, and then we tapped back in here on this retrace, and I should have just held it. I knew I should have held it. I don't know, I just was getting crushed watching all my profits dwindle away. But yeah, should have just held on. At that point, I was already down a little bit, and I was almost certain we are going to go take out these highs. But what can you do? That's all.